Hello, my name is Nathaniel Dodson, and I run the Covenanter Monthly Pamphlet Program over at covenanter.org/pamphlets. You can head over there and check out all the pamphlets we've already published and pick up any of those for $12 a piece, or subscribe and get your very own pamphlet each month for just $10. That is $10 per month. Now this month, May of 2015, we have the Mystery of Magistracy unveiled. And to give you an idea of what can be found within this pamphlet, I'm going to go ahead and read just a short excerpt here from the back of the booklet. As Western societies become increasingly secular and tolerant of every kind of belief and practice contrary to Scripture, they are confuted with the lack of cohesion that the Christian religion used to provide. In the wake of its absence, the state has assumed the duties that used to pertain to the church, especially when nations had national establishments of religion. Where the Protestant Reformation had once set healthy boundaries between the duties of the church and the duties of the civil magistrate, these lines are quickly being erased. Social libertarians, or classical liberals, skirt the problem of societal cohesion with pleas which often tend toward anarchy. Statists, on the other hand, seek to consolidate all power in the hands of the magistrate. Both parties, largely due to their Pelagian denial of original sin and its effects, fail to appreciate the genuine separation of power that exists in a society blessed with a godly magistrate and a national church professing the true religion. Thus, men come to embrace and tolerate corrupt constitutions of government in the church and in the state. The Mystery of Magistracy unveiled sets forth in short compass the proper parameters of the civil magistrate. It also considers several related questions. What are the proper qualifications of rulers? May Christians appoint unbelievers to rule over them? What are the duties of magistrates? What are the duties of the people under magistrates? But most importantly for us, living as we do under a government increasingly hostile to the Christian religion, what are the duties of the people to wicked rulers? To this interesting and engaging manual for believers, whether under a godly or an ungodly ruler, is added a short essay on the subject of taxation by David Steele. Too many professing Christians have adopted errant views concerning what is permissible and what is not under the reign of the ungodly. Lest any think that the case has been mishandled by Mr. Steele, there is also an extract from the 1761 testimony of the Reformed Presbytery concerning this matter. As governments increasingly seek to impose taxes earmarked for special evil projects, what is permissible now because they are wicked shall become the duty of all Christians that would suffer rather than sin. So that's it. The Mystery of Magistracy unveiled. You can check it out and learn a whole lot more over at covenanter.org/pamphlets. Thank you very much.